Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big good CoinsKid crew. So at the moment, I still think we're caught in a correction until I start to see something in the DXY chart. Now, one thing that will be concerning here for the DXY, obviously for XRP, if this is some kind of double bottom where we've come to resistance, we're making some kind of low, and then we're sort of compressing over time, we start to come up, and we take out that resistance. In my opinion, XRP will lose that low. Okay, if we start to see that, this low down here is absolute paramount for XRP for any continuation, because you can clearly see if it does come down to that right now, we have this sort of big correction where we're coming down. If we start to lose this green trend line and then equally start to do that, then we've lost structure. Okay, and potentially what we've got from this point here is an impulsive move, corrective move, and another impulsive move. So it is squeaky bum time. There's absolutely zero guarantees, but I'm trying to find any confluence in any of the charts, okay, to sort of guide us to the upside or downside. So at the minute, I just think we're caught in a correction whilst this is coming back up. So it is squeaky bum time, okay, because anything can happen. Please remember that. So if the DXY does start to break out here, bust a move, starts to really take off, takes out that high, you can clearly see that this high here was where Bitcoin, XRP, hit the bottom. So again, it's the inverse. So if this starts to come up like this and takes it out, then this is going to start to come down and take that out as support, isn't it? Really as simple. So this is why I show the DXY every day. So at the minute, I don't necessarily think the correction's in on XRP until we start to see the loss of the EMAs on the daily time frame for the DXY basically. So what we've got here, if you take a look, this is where the DXY lost this EMAs after coming up in this correction to the upside and then dropped again. Okay, so it's this drop here and this little looking glass that when we started to break down, we got the closes below the daily 20 and 55 EMA and created a death cross, which was a major signal for XRP to bottom on this green trend line and then go again. So we could be gearing up for a very similar scenario. This is what I'm trying to convey to you. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on this as best as we can. One thing we have done here, and I know a lot of people are jumping up and down saying the bottom is in on XRP. One thing we have done is fallen back to this neckline of this beautiful double bottom down there. So we've got this low, this high low, compressed, broke out, fall back to support. So we're looking to go. So until we start to come up and take out that high, I think there is a possibility that XRP comes up, rejects, and then comes back to the green trend line. Now this, for me, if we do get down here, I'm going to take a chance on this. Okay, I'm going to put some bids down here on this neckline, and I'm going to put my stop on there to negate this bullish breakout continuation that I'm looking at. It really is that simple. Okay, it's simple technical analysis, support and resistance. Again, if XRP starts to come down and we sweep this low, I think we could see no lows here for XRP, and the XRP's found some kind of the DXY found some kind of double bottom, and it comes up and takes that high out basically. So squeaky bum time. No one's got a crystal ball. No one can guarantee anything. Anything can happen. This is technical analysis, support and resistance. No one can see into the future. It is all a game of support and resistance, like I've said to you so many times. So just here, if we take a look at the XRP price, you can clearly see we could drop a trend line on the wicks. So resistance drop, and right now we could have had a resistance and we'd be dropping on this level of resistance right now. So it could be a good time to go short on XRP. This is something I'm trying to convey to you, okay? Because what we could have done here is we're in a wave 4 basically. What we've got is a 1, a 2, a 3, and right now this is the A wave of the ABC correction wave 4. This is the B wave, and right now you're getting rejected and you're looking to roll towards that green line, okay, which will be an optimal entry point sort of mid-June right there. So you come down in 5 waves basically if this is the ABC, because usually what you see in an ABC correction is 5 waves and an A wave, which is what we've got. Obviously we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 waves and a B wave, which is what we've got, 1, 2, 3, and right now you should see 5 waves, if not 3 waves, and a C wave. So 1, 2, rejection, 3, 4, 5, something like that down towards that green trend line would be absolutely amazing. Hold these lows, and at that point, if we start to come up here in the DXY, make a lower high than this, and everyone's getting super bullish, providing this starts to drop below these daily EMAs again, like it did there, we might have a little sort of match down here and a beautiful little signal for XRP. Okay, so it would be absolutely amazing if we do, because this could be the absolute entry point for you to come back up and take out that high. But remember, there's no guarantees. I can't guarantee that XRP is not going to drop here and do something like that. If it does, obviously I'll update you. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.